In this video, I'm going to do the technical analysis of Dow Jones Industrial Average Index for the week commencing from 7th of June 2021. This is the weekly chart and these are the weekly candles. This last candle that was formed for the week of 1st of June 2021. This candle represents a bull run. So this thing is now pretty clear that market is going to move up. Other than this, the bull candle, uh, we can also see that the market stayed above this support, this critical support. And because this is the weekly chart, if we see this on the daily chart, then almost for 4 days, 3 or 4 days, the market it maintained its closing above this support, which was 34,500, which means the market is not showing any more signs of weakness as it has shown previously, and now market has decided to move up. So when it moves up, it will meet its resistance here. This resistance is at 35,700. So this resistance is at 35,700. So market, so we will have to see how the market reacts to this resistance, and if it hit the resistance and if it comes down, then there will be chances that the market may come down. Otherwise, if it hits and if it closes above this resistance, and if it takes this whole week, and if it closes above and on the weekly chart, if it closes above this resistance, then on the next Monday, that will be 14th of June, we can expect some good profit booking here in the market. And if it closes above this resistance for two continuous days, then we can expect the price to move up and to move up to 37,500 to 37,600. Otherwise, this resistance will act as very critical resistance, and then comes the 37,600. And here the support lies at 34,500. So it can be seen that whatever is going to happen in the market for in this week 7th of June 2021, it will happen between 34,500 and 35,700, and any other exception will lead the market to move up towards 37,600. Otherwise, it will be between 35,700 and 34,500. Now let's talk about the technical indicators. So first we have the moving averages. If we talk about the moving averages, and now because the market is in the bull trend, so it is not expected to hit the moving averages. Secondly, moving averages, again, the moving averages are clearly supporting the bull trend, very clearly supporting the bull trend. And the Ichimoku, there is no chances that the market is coming back and hitting the Ichimoku in the month of June. So in the month of July or August, it may come down and it may hit Ichimoku. Other than these moving averages, we have the stock RSI. Stock RSI, it was changing its sign last week, in the week of 24th of May. But this week, it stayed, means it is holding its position in the bull direction, and it is still above 70. So it is supporting the bull trend. MACD is again supporting the bull trend. However, this is marginal, but it is again supporting the bull trend. And the momentum, there is a very heavy momentum in the bull direction. So considering all of these technical indicators and the candle and everything, market is bullish. Market is going to move up in this week. Now let's move on to the daily chart. We are here on the daily chart. If you see here on the daily chart, then these four candles, 1, 2, 3, and 4. These four candles, and also we can also consider this fifth candle. But these four candles certainly, the closing of these four candles was above this support, that was 34,500. So the closing of these four candles was above this support, which clearly indicates that the market, even though it has shown some signs of weakness here and on this particular day, but now the market is going to move up. So we have seen on the weekly chart that there is a bull momentum in the market. Market will move up. So also through these candles, there is a very clear indication market is going to move up. And if we talk about the moving indicators, we have the moving averages. So moving averages was supposed, this moving average ALMA was supposed to cross over WMA in this week, okay, on 2nd of June or on 3rd of June, but it did not, rather it moved up. So the moving average, there is a clear fan out. Moving averages, the price is for 2 consecutive weeks. For 2 consecutive weeks, price is moving above the moving averages, which clearly indicates market is moving up. Moving averages are clearly supporting the bull trend. Ichimoku price is not coming down to Ichimoku in this week. It means it is not expected to hit the Ichimoku this week, but it may hit next week if there will be very heavy profit booking. And if we talk about some other technical indicators, then we have the stock RSI. Stock RSI is clearly bullish. It is bullish. If we talk about the MACD, it is bullish. Momentum, yes, there is no momentum in the bullish direction, but we can comfortably say that in the Dow Jones index, in this index, okay, on daily and weekly chart, the index is going to move up. So there is this bull trend, the market will move up. So any dip you see, if you see any dips you can buy. Okay, you can buy on dips and then you can hold because the market is going to move up. Secondly, the support and resistances will remain same. This will act as a very strong resistance. This will act as good support. This will act as very strong support. Okay, so this was 35,700. This is 34,500 and this is 33,500. Okay guys, this was my technical analysis for Dow Jones Industrial Average Index for the week commencing from 7th of June 2021. Should you wish to participate in the stock market strategist programs, then I have given the links of these programs in the description of this video. You can take a look.